right, we got a good one today, I think. This is the new 737-700 Southwest Airlines California One colors made by Panda. This, I think, got an email saying this came out end of last week, beginning of this week, can't really remember, and I already got it. So, do a quick unboxing of this. And yeah, take a look at it. I do like how they boxed theirs. It's not so much about, their brand, Panda's brand. It's, it's about, this is the manufacturer of the plane that's in the box. And they just do a small picture on the side. So I do like that. All right. Ooh, already, just out of the box, looks fantastic. That's a good looking plane right there. The graphics are great on it. I mean, some of the best I think I've seen. Small antenna on them, that's fine. All the rolling wheels on it. But that's a really good looking model. This is only the third Panda model that I have. I have another Southwest 737 in the SeaWorld colors. And then I've got a TU-134 as well. This is like I said, this is the third one I have. So, the small sample size I have them, actually, I'm fairly impressed with them. Is that a name on there? I can't really tell. California One right there. That was hard to see. But on the it says right there, California One. But yeah, this is actually a really good looking model. I'm actually really impressed. So yeah, hopefully Panda comes out with some more special library colors like this. I love how the bear's leg just continues onto the engine. That's really cool. So, good job, Panda. Keep it up, and I will get some more of these, hopefully. So, that's all for now, and everyone take care.